Good morning, everyone. My name is Amit Kumar Singh, and welcome to the another class on investment management. In yesterday, we have started discussing about the concept of investment, what investment is all about, and we have discussed the relevance of beta. Whenever we talk about stock market investment, it's not like all stocks are equally risky. To determine the riskiness of a stock, you can look into the beta of the stock. So if the beta of the stock is more than one, it means the stock is risky. While if the beta of a stock is one, probably then the stock is less risky. Chaitanya, your webcam is on, Chaitanya. So probably whenever we talk about investment, that is a general perception in India that we Indians we save the maximum money. So we Indians do lot. So traditionally, we Indians always follow the concept of saving money as compared to the rest of the world people. But we Indians normally don't invest our money in stock market because we have a concern about the riskiness of the stock market. We believe that the stock market is somewhat like a hardly 4% of Indian investors they invest their money in stock market. People normally in India they prefer to invest their money in risk-free products, either in FD or on in post office or PPF. But hardly people invest their money in stock. For long-term investment purpose, you can definitely put your money in stocks. So stocks is the stocks which belongs to FMCG sector or pharma sectors or banking sector or IT sectors will give you very good return a long term. So imagine if you have done investment in TCS probably 5 year ago, definitely you would have got very good return. So it's not like all stocks are equally risky, particularly which are of small cap sectors relatively risky. So you can, if you want to go for long-term investment, you can avoid investing your money in long-term in mid in small cap stocks. But otherwise, you can invest your money in large cap companies. Like if I talk about IT sector, the company like TCS or HCL or Infosys. So you can invest your money in those stocks. Banking is somewhat which is little bit in doldrum state because I hope you know about the kind of problem which our banking sector is facing, the growing increase of NPA, non-performing assets by the bank that is keep on accumulating. And although no matter whatever the banks do, but coming out the problem of NPA is the big thing. So for the time being, you can avoid investing your money in bank. Even then, stocks like HDFC Bank or ICCI Bank or SBI Bank, you can invest your money on these stocks. But you can avoid small caps or mid cap banks because the NPA are very high. At the same time, consolidation is happening in banking sector. So definitely long term, you can a better performance in the banking sector. But again, so if you are someone who look for long term investment, definitely you can put your money in large cap companies. Will definitely will give you very good return. So although the large cap company, the problem with large cap company is there the share price is comparatively very high. So because the share price is comparatively high, so people will get less number of shares. So that is the problem what you have. But again, return you can definitely get a better return in long term without considering much risk. To understand the risk on any stock, you can look into the beta of the stock. So yesterday I discussed about beta. What yesterday I've discussed about what is beta. So again, talking about the beta of a stock, if I talk about the beta, so beta of the stock basically it measures the covariance between, basically it measures the covariance between a stock and market. Basically it measures the covariance between stock and market divided by the variance of the market. So you can use this formula to calculate the beta of the stock. You can use this formula to calculate the beta of the stock. So covariance, I hope you remember the formula of covariance. So covariance between stock and market would be the coefficient of correlation between stock and market into standard deviation of market into standard deviation of stock divided by the variance of market. And you know that the variance is a square of standard deviation. So that way, if you do, so you get the formula called coefficient of correlation between stock and market into a standard deviation of stock divided by the standard deviation of market. That also you can get a formula of beta. So that also you get a formula of beta. So again, it depends on you how you want to calculate the beta. You do anyhow, you will get the same answer. So it all depends on you how you want to calculate the beta of the stock. Direct formula if you want, if you don't like all this complicated stuff. So direct formula you can use N of S into M, where S means the return on stock, M means the return on market, N summation of return on stock into some return on market into summation of stock into return on market into return on stock divided by N summation of M square minus summation of M whole square. So by this also you get the beta of the stock. This is easiest formula. This is the most easiest formula to calculate the beta of the stock. So by using this formula, you get the beta of the stock very easily. Otherwise, if you want complications, you can, if you remember the statistics which you have studied in the first semester, so a lot of complicated formulas we can come up with, and that way also you can calculate it. Again, it's your wish how you want to calculate it. Covariance within stock and market, the sub formula is summation of S minus S bar into M minus M bar divided by N. So that is the formula of covariance. Either you can use, so that is the formula of covariance between stock and market. Now the formula of a coefficient of correlation between stock and market, that is N summation of SM minus summation of S into summation of M divided by square root of N summation of S square minus summation of S ka whole square N summation of M square minus summation of M whole square. So you can use this formula to find the coefficient of correlation between stock and market. So you can use complicated formulas also, or you can use simple formula also. Standard deviation of stock is summation of square root of S minus S bar whole square by N. Similarly, the standard deviation on market. Similarly, the standard deviation on market is equal to the square root of summation of M minus M bar whole square by N. You can use any formula, uh, irrespective of whatever formula you use, you get the same answer. But directly, for right now, because many people don't like much of mathematics, so I'll do this general formula to calculate the beta of the stock. I'll use this formula to calculate the beta of the stock. Again, otherwise you can do it in many ways. Whatever way you do, you'll get the same answer. So let's do one problem which came in 2019 exam. So in 2019 VTU, in 2019 VTU, this investment management, we got this question. You can see this question. Question number 6, part 3. You got this question. So part C, if you see, they are asking us what is the beta of stock A. So let's do this question. This came for 8 marks. Let me just cut this question. So let me write down the values. You can use calculator. So return on stock. So return on stock. So return on stock is given to you. That is 10, 15. So all are in percentage. Return on stock is given to you 10, 15, 18, 14, 10, 15, 18, 14, then 16, 16, then 16, 16. After that, 16, 16, then 18, 4. After that, 18. 4, and after 18 4, then it is minus 9, minus 9 14 15, minus 9, minus 9 14, then 15. You can do in a notebook all this, minus 9 14 15, minus 9 14 15, then 14 6 7, 14 6 7 minus 8, 14 6 7 minus 8, 14 6 7 and minus 8. This question has came in exam. So this is the return on stock given, and then a return on market that is given in percentage also. So that is given in percentage. So let me better do in Excel. If I do in Excel, this would be better. Let me better do in Excel. Better. If we do in Excel, this would be better to do in Excel. I'll not solve in Excel. I'm just writing the value in Excel. I'm just writing down the value in Excel. 10, then 15, then 18, then 14, then 16, then 16, then 18, then 4, then minus 9, then 14, minus 9, then 14, then 15. So then 4 minus 9, 14, 15, then 14, 6, 14, 6, 7, 14, 6, 14, 6, 7, 14, 6, 7, and then minus 8. Minus 8. I believe everyone have this question paper, so you can write by yourself. 12, 14, then 13, then 10, then 9, then 13, then 14, then 7. After 7, what is this? 1 or what? After 7, 1. After 7, 1. Guys, tell me if I make any incorrect entry. Then 12, then minus 11, then 16, and then 8, then 7, and then 10. Let me know if I make any incorrect entry. Is this clear, everyone? I hope you have this question paper with you. I have downloaded it from VTU website. If you have more question paper on investment management, I have 2019 and 18 paper with me. So if you have more paper, I have 18, January 18, July 18, and January 19. So if you have more question paper, please forward me. I'll solve for it for you. So this is return on stock. This is return on stock. This is return on market. Is this visible? Can you see this, everyone? Everyone can see this, right? Everyone can see this, right? We want to calculate the beta. Let me know if I make any incorrect entry, anything like that. I believe everyone has had this question. This is return on stock, return on market. Okay, so the formula what we are using. So the formula what we are using. So return on stock means S. Return on market means M. Okay. Return on stock means S. Return on stock means S. Okay. And return on market means M. So return on market means M. Okay, so the formula what I'm using for beta For beta, the formula I'm using is n summation of Sm minus summation of S into summation of M divided by n summation of M square minus summation of M whole square. This is the formula what I'm using for the beta. Okay, so I hope you understand. I hope you are understanding this. What is so what I need here? I need the summation on stock. So I want the summation on stock. So what is the summation on stock? So I can do the sum of this. I can do the sum of this. Do the sum of this summation of stock. So I can do the summation of stock. Everyone do that. You will get the summation of stock as 150. Everyone do the summation of stock. All are in percentage. So you get 150. Summation on market, if you do, you will get as 135. Everyone use calculator, do the sum. So the return on stock, so you got the sum of stock. So I got the sum on stock is 150 and the sum on market I got as 135. Anyone got any different value? Let me know. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? So the summation on stock I got. So the summation on stock I got is 150 and the summation on market I got is 135. Anyone, any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Okay, so then what I'll do after that, what I need after that, what I need after that, if you understand what do you mean by this, what do you mean by this? After that, if you understand, what do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? This mean I need to do the square of market and then I need to do the sum of that. Okay, so I need to do the square of market and then I need to do the sum of that. So market, you got the market. Do the square. So do the square of market. Do the square of market return. Everyone do the square of market return. 12 square is 144. 14 square is 196. 13 square is 169. 10 square is 100. 9 square is 81. 13 square 169. 14 square 196. 7 square 49. 1 square 1. 12 square 144. 11 square 121. 16 square 256. 8 square 64. 7 square 49. 10 square 100. 135 square 13 into 14, that is 18225. 135 square, so 135 square is 13 into 14. I don't think you people would be interested to learn Vedic maths. Otherwise I would have tell you easy way how to find the 135 square. 125 square is 15625. 135 square is 18225. 145 square is 21025. So, but so I hope you understood this. So I got the sum of m square. So the sum of m square. So the sum of m square you got is 225. Any doubt, anyone? So the sum of m square you got 18225. This you got as a sum of m square. Okay, then I got this till now. I got this already. I have got this also. I got only one thing is left for me to do. That is the summation of stock into market. That is the only part left for me to do. So let's do that also. So you multiply the return on stock with the return on market. So summation multiply the return on stock with the return on market. Multiply the return on stock with the return on market. Multiply the return on stock with respect to the return on market. So this is what we want to do. So for that multiply what is 12 into 10, that is 120. That is what is 15 into 14. 15 into 14, that is 210. Then 18 into 13, 18 into 13, 18 into 13. So 18 into 13, you can use calculator. So 8 is the 24 to carry 21, 21 234. So 18 into 13, you get 234. Check if I'm wrong. 14 into 10, 140. Then 16 nines are 144. Then 16 into 13. Then 16 into 13. 16 into 13 is 18. 1 carry 9208. That is 208. Then 18 into 14. Then 18 into 14. So you can use calculator. 18 into 14. So you can use calculator for that. 18 into 14, 18 into 14, 8, 4, 32, 3 carry, 14 plus 8, 22 to 52. Then 4 sevens are 28, and then minus 1 into 9, minus 9. Then 14 into 12, 14 into 12, 14 into 12, 4, 8, 168. Then 15 into minus 11, 15 into minus 11, minus 165. Then 14 into 16, then 14 into 16, 14 into 16. So 4 and 6, 24 to carry, 4 and 6, then 22, 24, 224, and then 6 into 8, 48, then 7 sevens are 49, and then minus 80. Any doubt, anyone? Any mistake if I've done? Let me know. If I've done any mistake, please let me know. Okay, then do the sum of this. Then do the sum of this. So the sum of S into M is 1571. Do the sum of this. 1571. Thank you, Ranjita. Clear, everyone? So, so they have asked us what is the beta of the stock. So once we get all this, we can find the beta. So beta of the stock. N. What is N? What is N? What is N? Count it. What is N? Count the total number of terms. How many terms are there? How many terms are there? 15 terms are there. So N is 15 into sum of SM. Sum of SM is 1571. Sorry, 1571 minus summation of S into summation of N means 150 into 135 divide by N. N is 15. Sum of m square is 18225 minus summation of m means 135 square. Do this calculation, you will get the answer, get the beta value. Do this calculation, everyone. This you got the beta of the stock. Very good, Ranjita. So who got top in first semester? Who was a topper? I guess Ranjita only. Is this clear? Anywhere any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Anyone any doubt? Everyone got the answer? Everyone got the answer? Bhavna, you got the answer? Chaitanya, Darshan. Darshan, I think, came first time to my class today. Gitanjali, Harish, Karthik, Mohan, Prakriti, Priyanka, Rakesh. Did you get the answer? Any doubt, anyone? Shakib, any doubt? Sanjay, any doubt? Suraj, any doubt? Vidya, any doubt? Yogeshwari, any doubt? Priyanka, any doubt, Priyanka? Suraj, you got the answer, Suraj? Any doubt, anyone? Can I continue then? Everyone got the answer? Everyone got this answer, right? Anyone have any doubt? So you could have done directly by using the slope formula. If you use the slope formula in Excel, known y means the dependent variable means return on stock, comma known x means independent variable, the return on market. This is getting different value. Point is known y, known x. Why we are getting different values? So we should get the same answer only. Anyway, we'll cross verify your answer. Anyone, any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? Gitanjali, do you have any doubt? Okay, fine. So we'll do in other way also. This is the one formula to calculate the beta. The other formula to calculate the beta. So the other formula to calculate beta. So will do the same thing by other formula. So we'll do the same thing by the other formula. So we'll let do by other formula. So what is the other formula to calculate the beta? So the other formula to calculate the beta. So the other formula to calculate the beta is the covariance between stock and market. Covariance between stock and market. Covariance between stock and market divided by the variance of market. So let's do this calculation. Let get the beta by this formula. What is the variance formula? What is the variance of market? So the variance of the market. How to get the variance of the market? So what is the formula to get the variance of market? That is summation of m square, variance of market, summation of m square by n, summation of m square by n minus m bar whole square. This is the variance of market, minus m bar whole square. So this is the variance of market. Let's find the variance of market. Summation of m square is 18225 divided by n. N is 15 minus what is the mean the mean the this is the sum of market 135. So mean is sum divided by number whole square. Let's do this. Find the variance of the market. Can you hear me? Okay. So find the variance of the market. Use calculator. Use calculator. So 18225 18225 divide by 15. So you get 1215. You will get 1215. You will get 1215 minus 1215 minus then 135 divide by 15. 135 divided by 15 is 9. 9 square means 81. 9 square is 81. So 1215 1215 divide by 1215 minus 81. You'll get 1134. You'll get 1134. You'll get 1134. So you got the variance of the market called 1134. So you got the variance of market. Now I'll find the covariance between stock and market. I got the variance on the market. Okay, 1134. I get the variance on market. So I got the variance on the market. Now I'll find the covariance between stock and market. So what is the covariance between stock and market? So the formula, I'll find the covariance between stock and market. So the formula for the one minute. Now I'll find the covariance between stock and market. So covariance between stock and market, you can use the formula summation of S into N by N minus S bar into M bar. So that will give you the covariance between stock and market. So summation of S into M is 1571. 1571 divided by 15 minus what is the average on stock? Average on stock. So the average on stock 150 is the sum. Total count is 15. So average on the stock would be 10, and the average on market I think is 9. Average on the market is 9. So you can do this. So you will get the covariance between stock and market, that is 1571 divided by 15 minus 90. So 1571 divide by 15, that is 104.7333 minus 90 minus 90, you'll get 14.7333. 14.7333. Okay, so now the beta formula is covariance between stock and market divided by the variance of market. So covariance between stock and market is 14.7333 divided by the variance of market, that is 1134. So if you do this 14.73333, if you divide this by 1134, you'll get 0.01299. You'll get 0.01299 as the beta of the stock. The same answer. Same answer what we got from the earlier case. Again, you'll get the same answer. Clear? Any doubt, anyone? Is I'm audible? Can you hear me? Because there's no internet. I'm using my mobile hotspot. Is I'm audible? Can you hear me? Any doubt, anyone? Anyone want to ask anything? Once again, so Sanjay is asking me to do once again. So Sanjay, you should know the formula. So these formula already we have studied in first semester in statistics. So this is the variance formula. So this is the variance of market formula. This is the formula. This is the formula of variance. This is the formula of covariance. This is the formula of variance. This is the formula of covariance. So the variance formula is summation of m square by n minus summation of m ka whole square average on as m bar means average return on market. Okay, so S bar means average return on stock. I hope you understand this sign. Already we I hope you understand this sign. So here when you see S bar means average return on stock. S bar means average return on stock. So what is average return on stock? That is the total return on stock divided by number. First semester you have studied all this thing. Average is the total sum of data divided by number of data. So similarly, the M bar means average return on market. That is the total return on market divided by N. Okay, so total return of market already we have calculated. Total return on market is 135. Total return on market is 135. Total return on market is 135. Total return on stock is 150. Total return on stock is 150. And the total data is 15. So I can find the average. I can find their average. The average of this is 150 divided by 15. That means 10. Okay, and the average of this is 135 divided by 15 means 9. So you got the average. Average on stock is 10. Average on market is 9. Okay, then this is the formula for the variance. This is the formula for the variance. This is the formula for the variance. This is the formula. This is the formula for the variance. So this is the formula for the variance. This is the formula for the variance. You can see the formula is sum of m square. The formula of variance is sum of m square by n minus m bar square. That is the formula of variance. So sum of m square already I have found. Sum of m square already I have found here. That is 18225 divide by n. N means total data. Total data n. Total data is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So n is 15. M bar means average return on market. That is the total return on market divided by 15. So total return on the market is 135. 135 divided by 15 is 9. 9 square is 81. Sum of m square is 18225. You divide by 15, you'll get 1215. So you do that, you will get the so m square is 1833. So Vidya is telling m square is 1833. M square 1833. Vidya, that is 1839. Vidya, sorry, one. Do the sum here, guys. 1 minute. 1839. So how I wrote 18225? How come I wrote 18? 1 minute. Everyone tell me the sum this this sum, that is 1839. Yeah, sure. Sorry, this is 1839. That's why I'm getting it. So sum of m square. So the sum of m square here is 1839. Sum square is 1839. This is 1839. So guys, just correct it. 1839. The sum of m square is 1839, not that 18225. The sum of m square is is 12, 196, 169, 181, 160, 196, 49, 1, 121, 256, 64. So that's why. So sum of m square here, the sum of so here the this is 1839. So 1839 divide by 15. If I do, you will get 122.6. You will get 122.6. So you will get 122.6. You're getting 122.6. 122.6 if you subtract with 81. 122.6 if you subtract with 81, how much you are getting? You are getting is 41.6. You are getting here is 41.6. Okay, corrected guys. This is 41.6. So you got this 41.6, and then this is correct now. This is correct. So 41.6. So this so this is basically 41.6 divided by 14.733. So if you do this, 41.6 divided by 41.6 divided by 14.733, how much you get? That is 41.6 divided by 14.73333. You'll get, uh, do this calculation everyone. Okay. So this you'll get is 2.8235. We'll get 2.8235. Is this correct? Anyone doubt? अच्छा उल्टा है वो sorry wrote उल्टा. So covariance between stock and market divided by this is 14.7333 divided by 41.6, right? 14.7333, 14.7333 divided by 41.6. If you do 0.3567, 0.3567. Clear? Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt? Is I'm audible? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Is I'm audible? Sanjay, have you understood this? Is this clear, everyone? Is this clear, everyone? You'll get answers 0.3567. That's why that time I was getting 0.3567. That time also I was getting this value only 0.3567 by using the slope formula. Uh, so let's do the other way also, that formula also. So let's do by that formula again. So let me do that by again. Because of that we got wrong m square value, because of which the beta value we got is wrong. So again, the direct formula for beta, n summation of sm, the summation of s into summation of m, divide by n summation of m square minus summation of m whole square. So you can use again I'm doing this because we got the m square value wrong. So n is 15 into summation of s into m. Summation of s into m is 1571 minus summation of s is 150 into summation of m, that is 135, divide by n is 15, summation of m square, that is 1839 minus summation of m, 135 square. Do it again. Do it again. So 15 into 1571, 15 into 15 into 1571, 23,565, 23,000, 23,000, 23,000, 23,565 minus 23,565 minus 150 into 135, 150 into 135, that is 150 into 135, that is 20,250, 20,250, divide by 15 into 1839, 15 into 1839, 15 into 1839, that is 27,585 minus 135 square. 135 square means 135 square means what? 135 square. So 135 square, 135, 135 square. So 135 square is 18225. 135 square, 18225. 135 square, 18225, 18225. Now solve this. Everyone solve this. Hmm. Everyone solve this. Everyone solve this. That is 3315 divide by 27,585 minus 18225. So that is 9,360. 9,360. So you solve this. 3315 divided by 9,360, that is 0.354. Same answer. Okay. So I hope you understood. You do anyway, you will get the same answer. I hope you got the logic. Okay. So, so that time what mistake we had done? Okay. So that time this value, that time this value I think I took the square of 135 also, and then I did the sum or something I did. Acha, I did 135 square. Okay. By mistake, I did the square of 135. So that I got 18225. That's why I wrote it there. The sum should be 1839. No one told me, Ranjita, you have not noticed that part. Okay, any doubt, anyone? So you do anyway, you get the beta value, same thing. Any doubt, anyone? Anyone having any doubt? So directly you can do this. If you use the slope formula, you can get the directly the same thing. If you use the slope formula, you will get the same thing. Any doubt, anyone? Any question you want to ask? Have you understood everything? Anyone, any doubt? Gitanjali, Bhavna, Chaitanya, Darshan, Divya, Harish, Karthik, Mohan, Pawan Kumar, Priyanka. Any doubt? Rakesh, Ravi Teja, Shakib, Suraj, Yogeshwari, Vidya, any doubt? Okay, so that time we by chance we took wrong value of m square. That's why so we are getting different values. So now I hope you understood this. Right? Anyone have any confusion? So whenever you talk about beta, so whenever you're talking about beta calculation, so beta you can calculate, the formula for beta is the covariance between stock and market, covariance between stock and market divide by the variance of market, divide by the variance of market. Remember the formula. Okay, so for variance of market, for variance of market, for variance of market, you can use the formula called summation of m square by n minus m bar square. You can either use this formula or you can use the formula summation of m minus m bar whole square by n. You can use any of the formula for variance of the market. So you can use any of this formula for the variance of market. So you can use any of the formula for the variance of market, either this or this formula. Similarly for the covariance between stock and market, similarly for the covariance between stock and market, similarly for the covariance between stock and market, either you use the formula called summation of xy by n minus x bar y bar, or in case of S and M, I can write summation of S into M by N divide minus SM S bar minus M bar, or you can use the formula for summation of M minus M bar into S minus S bar by N. You do anything, you'll get the same answer. So I hope you are getting the logic. So the beta formula, when I'm talking beta formula, so either I can use the formula called summation of S minus S bar into M minus M bar by summation of M minus M bar square. You can use this formula for beta, or you can use the formula for beta, or or you can use the formula for beta, that is n summation of S into M minus summation of S into summation of M divide by n summation of M square minus summation of M top whole square. You do any way, you will get the same answer. Anyone, any doubt? Any doubt, anyone? So all these are the formula of beta. All these are the formula of beta. You do any formula, you will get the same answer. Any doubt, anyone? Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Anyone having any doubt? So in exam, you will get this, came for 8 marks for your exam. So this will come for 8 marks in exam. So make sure you don't lose your marks. Okay. Answer your attendance. answer your attendance, guys. Akash, Bharat, Akash, Bharat, Bhavna, Chaitanya is present, Darshan is present, Divya is present, Bhavna is not there, is it? Divya is there, Gitanjali, 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 are you there in class? Gitanjali is there. Harish, Harish Kumar, Harish Kumar, then Karthik, Karthik, Karthik is there. Kavna, Bhavna is there. Bhavna, I think, was sleeping. So Bhavna was there. Then Harish is there. Karthik is there. Kavna, Kirti, Kiran, Kavna, Kirti, Kiran, Mohan Kumar, Kavna, Kirti, Kiran, Mohan Kumar. Mohan Kumar is there. Nagaveni, Nagaveni, Pawan Kumar, Pawan, okay. Pawan Kumar, then Prajwal, Prajwal, Prakriti, Prajwal, Prakriti, Priyanka, Priyanka is there. Prajwal, Prakriti, Priyanka, Rakesh, 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 Ranjita is there. Ravi Teja is there. Ravi Teja is there. Rohan, Sachin Kumar, Rohan, Sachin Kumar, Sanjay is there. Rakesh is there. Rakesh, I gave, okay. Rohan, Sachin Kumar, Sanjay, Shakib is there. Shakib is there. Then Shalini, Suraj, Shalini, Suraj, Vidya is there. Yogeshwari is there. Virendra, Shalini, Rohan, Sachin, Prakriti, Prajwal, Nagaveni, Kirti, Kiran. Anyone there? Sanjay has came right now for attendance. Sanjay, already, no need to come back. I gave you attendance. So anyone, Virendra is there. Virendra, Shakib, I gave you attendance. Virendra is there. Shalini is there. Kumar, Rohan, Prakriti, Prajwal, Nagaveni, Kiran, Kirti. So I guess they are not there. Okay, guys, I believe others are not there. Thank you, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow for the class. Thank you, everyone. You can leave for the day. I'll see you all tomorrow.